Yo, what's up, guys? And welcome to Step Forex Success. So, guys, watch out though. The effect of our powerful step index strategy. I believe you know the indicators, the parameters, and how to set the indicators. Look, when this blue moving average cross above the red, the chart, it's a sell at the overbought level. When the red crosses above the yellow, it's a sell. Look, look at the power of our strategy. I made profit from it. Look, look at my profit for today, guys. Just today. Look, as soon as I noticed stepping this crossing below the chart and the red crossing below the yellow moving average at the oversold level, guys, I placed my buy. Look, see profit of $222 in one day, guys. You know, I always tell you I make $300 daily trading stepping this. Look at my deposit of $459 and the profit 220 for today. You can see that, guys. I'm still going to make more profit, waiting for more confirmations. Will make more profit. This I will make money trading step in this, guys. So, guys, put in work into the strategy, practice it, and get used to it, guys. You're gonna make two. You're going to make two. So, thank you all, guys, for always watching these videos and always learning and always being with Forex Success, guys. We're going to move together. We're going to make it. Yeah. So, thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification. It's very important so you'll be notified each time I drop a new strategy, a new video. Guys, it will help you a lot. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me to do more. Yeah, to encourage me to do more videos for you guys. So thanks, guys.